Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to confirm if your NIN has been successfully linked with your Glo line to avoid SIM blockade. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your dialer. So I'm going to click on here to open up my dialer. The next thing you need to do is to dial *996#, then hit on send on your Glo line. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to type 1. Then click on send. The status of your request will be sent via SMS. Click on OK and open the SMS right here. Here we go. Now, your NIN has been successfully verified and linked to your mobile number. Just like what you see right here. Thank you for choosing Glo. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.